Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back. My name is Kasey. If you just landed here, hi. If you enjoy this space, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you back. Today, I am going to clean out my closet and take you along with me. Closet purging and decluttering can be a lifelong battle until I started cleaning out my closet seasonally. So there's tip number 1. Tip 2, bring snacks and water. Before I got started, I had a little small breakfast and made myself a green juice. Tip 3, you are probably watching this video in hopes to find some motivation when you probably should just start cleaning your closet. But I get it. I did the same thing before filming this video and cleaning my closet. So you're not alone. But after you watch this video, hide your phone, pagers, laptop, computer, vibrator, electronics, TV, hide it all so you don't have any distractions. Tip 4, create a space that you want to be in because you will be there all day. So light some candles, incense, oil diffuser, warmer, whatever your method is, set the mood. I have some playlists that I love. I'll link them down below, or you can create your own with songs that you currently love that are uplifting and add some calm stuff in there as well. My playlists to me feel like everything is going to be okay kind of music, which is necessary because this can be a daunting task. You're going to need some good music. You surround yourself with the things that bring you joy, and this took me from about 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., which brings me to my next tip. Tip 5. Put it on your calendar. Depending on the state of your closet, you may need a few hours or more, so clear the day, unplug, and make it important. I know most of us are super busy people, but it's possible, so make it happen. That way you aren't rushing the process and you can really sit with each piece and go through every item you own, bringing me to my next tip, tip 6, empty your closet. Yes, everything, the entire thing. Completely empty. Tip 7, try everything on. Again, why it's important to plan a day dedicated to this, especially if you have way more than you need or you know you have items that you are iffy about. Try it all on. Tip number 8, let stuff go and purge. I hold each item in my hand and ask myself, does this bring me joy? How does this make me feel when I hold it? How do I feel when it's on my body? Ask your body if it likes it. Don't put pressure on yourself to get rid of stuff or resist at all. Just be ready to let go, because that's what we do in life, right? We get rid of things that are no longer serving us. So be ready to let go. To help with that process, you can ask yourself, would I go to the store and buy this today? Will I wear this in the next 3 to 6 months or ever? If the answer is no, let's go on to tip number 9. Good old piles. Create your pile by preference. I donate my clothes to my cousin, family, to shelters locally. This round I'll be donating to Emerge Women's Shelter here in Tucson, Arizona. So in my case, I had 2 piles. One I was giving to my cousin and the other to the shelter. Tip 10, wash your closet. Make it really clean in there and let it air out. And the only thing left to do is put the remaining items back into your closet or into a seasonal storage space, and then enjoy your sparkly, shiny new closet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was inspiring. Good luck. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. It shows me that you care, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.